Draw two thin vertical lines. The left line slightly lower than the right line. Thin, parallel, vertical. Right slightly higher than the left, left slightly lower than the right. You can make the lines thin by finding the thin edge of your pencil lead, or by using less pressure down. Two thin parallel lines, the right slightly higher than the left, fairly close together. Draw two thick lines that cross the two thin lines. You can get thick lines by finding the thick part of the pencil lead, or by using slightly more pressure. In the perfect world, these slightly horizontal lines, notice they go from lower left to upper right at the same angle as the ends of the vertical lines. Lower left, upper right. In the perfect world, these lines are shorter than the vertical lines. This symbol is called a sharp. And when used in combination with letters, it goes right superscript to the right of the letter and up. The two thin lines start above the letter. The one on the left extends to about halfway through the letter. And then the two slightly angled, almost horizontal lines cross those. Letter, superscript, vertical thin lines, crossing lines. Works the same way with any of the uppercase letters we've been drawing. Right superscript, sharp. A sharp, read from left to right. B sharp, C sharp, C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp. Sharps. Draw a single vertical line, thin, from top to bottom. Leave your pencil at the bottom point and circle up and around to the right, coming back to a point. Thin line, up and around to the right, back to a point. This is called a flat. It also appears right superscript when used with the block letters. A, thin line down, up around to the right. Notice it comes down about halfway through the letter, starts above the letter. Right superscript, flat. A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat, F flat, G flat. Flats have points at the bottom. They're not B's. write superscript sharps and flats.